Today, we're taking a closer look at the ASUS TUF Gaming X870-PLUS Wi-Fi motherboard. It's packed with robust features, but stay tuned until the end to learn about some minor drawbacks that could impact your build decisions. The ASUS TUF is designed for gamers and builders who want a durable, high-performance motherboard. With its military-grade components, this board is built to withstand intense gaming sessions, providing stability under load. The design feels rugged and reliable thanks to robust heatsinks and armor where it counts most. Visually, it has the typical TUF gaming look, with an industrial black and grey color scheme accented by subtle RGB lighting, a nice touch for those who like customization without flashy distractions. But how does it stack up against competitors? ASUS has clearly built this board to go toe-to-toe with other gaming-grade boards at a mid-tier price. Key features include its AI overclocking for seamless performance enhancement, even if you're new to overclocking. It intelligently profiles your CPU and cooling setup to deliver optimized settings. Coupled with AI Cooling 2, this motherboard balances fan speeds automatically, keeping your system cool and quiet. The X870 chipset brings future-proofing into the equation, with PCIe 5.0 slots for both GPU and SSD, ready to handle next-gen hardware. The TUF can handle up to 192 gigs of DDR5 RAM, pushing speeds over 8,000 megatransfers per second for powerhouse setups, using the latest Ryzen 9000 series. Ample M.2 slots mean plenty of room for fast SSD storage, so load times won't hold you back. Connectivity options are also impressive with Wi-Fi 7 and a dual USB 4 configuration, ready for demanding high-speed data needs. To see the latest price and any deals, check out the Amazon link in the description. So, what are the pros and cons of the ASUS TUF? Cons: higher power demands may require premium cooling solutions. Limited to 2 SATA ports for traditional drives. Minimal RGB lighting might not satisfy all gamers. Pros: robust 16+2 power stage design for stable performance. High memory speed support up to 8,000 megatransfers per second. Comprehensive connectivity with Wi-Fi 7, USB 4 and PCIe 5.0. AI-enhanced overclocking and cooling, military-grade components for long-term durability. For a closer look at this motherboard and current deals, check the Amazon link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and let us know in the comments what you think of the ASUS TUF.